Today, we unlock the secret of the citrus cycle, from a single seed to abundance. Most people fail because they treat lemons like ordinary plants. But lemons are royalty. They require a specific ritual to wake up their genetic potential. Let's begin. Everything starts with selection. Not all store-bought lemons are created equal for growing. Look for organic, heirloom varieties. These seeds carry the blueprint of ancient trees. Carefully extract the seeds. Be gentle. You are holding the beginning of a forest. The first secret: never let the seed dry out. A dry seed is a dead dream. Clean the pulp away. Sugars in the fruit can attract mold and destroy everything. Now, we use the peeling method. This accelerates germination by weeks, not days. By removing the hard coat, you help the tiny embryo breathe and expand. Wrap your prepared seeds in a damp paper towel. Think of it as a nursery. Place them in a dark, warm spot. Heat is the trigger that whispers, "It's time." In 7 days, a miracle happens. The first root, the taproot, will emerge. This is the most vulnerable moment. Your future tree is deciding if it can trust you. Prepare the soil. Forget standard potting mix. Lemons crave drainage and low pH. Add a secret ingredient: pine bark or peat moss. This creates the acidic home they love. Plant the seed just half an inch deep. Too deep, and it will never see light. Cover it loosely. The soil should feel like a warm blanket, not a weight. Water it with a spray bottle. Heavy streams will drown the delicate new life. Now, the waiting begins. But in the silence of the earth, a revolution is happening. Soon, the first green leaves will pierce the surface. These are called cotyledons. Sunlight is the currency of the citrus world. Your tree needs 12 hours of energy. If your windows are dark, you must bring the sun indoors. Full-spectrum LEDs are essential. Place the tree facing south. This is the golden path, where light is most intense. But beware of cold drafts. A lemon tree hates a sudden chill more than anything. Temperature should remain steady. Think of a Mediterranean summer even in the winter. Humidity is the hidden secret. Modern homes are too dry, causing leaves to drop. Mist your tree daily, or place it on a tray of pebbles filled with water. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood. Watering is where most beginners destroy their dreams. Never water on a schedule. Water only when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry. If the roots sit in stagnant water, they will suffocate and rot. Drainage is life. During the growing season, your tree is hungry. It is building liquid sunshine inside. Forget chemical salts. We use the ancient 3: nitrogen, potassium, and a touch of magic. Used coffee grounds are a miracle for lemons. They provide the acidity they crave. Once a month, give them a saline kiss. 1 tablespoon of Epsom salts in water. This magnesium boost keeps the leaves deep green and the flowers strong and fragrant. The scent of a lemon bloom is intoxicating. It is the smell of a promise kept. But inside a house, there are no bees. You must become the pollinator yourself. Gently move pollen from flower to flower. You are playing the role of the wind. Without this ritual, the flowers will fall, and no fruit will ever begin to grow. Once pollinated, a tiny green bulb appears. This is the birth of your first lemon. It will take months to ripen. Patience is the final ingredient in every garden. As your tree grows, you must become its architect. Pruning is not destruction. Remove the suckers, small shoots near the base that steal energy from the fruit. Open up the center of the canopy. Light and air must flow through like a river. But even the strongest trees have enemies. Spider mites and scale are silent invaders. Don't reach for chemicals. Use a simple spray of water and organic neem oil. Or use the garlic guard, a natural infusion that makes your tree invisible to pests. Every 2 years, your tree will outgrow its home. It will feel root-bound. Move it to a larger vessel. Give the roots room to explore and expand. Finally, the day arrives. The fruit is heavy, bright yellow, and smells like joy. Never pull the fruit. Use shears to leave a small piece of stem attached. A homegrown lemon has oils in its skin that store-bought versions lost long ago. To make your supply truly endless, you must master the art of the cutting. Dip a branch in honey or rooting hormone and place it in moist sand. In weeks, this branch becomes a clone of the parent. 1 tree becomes 10. 10 trees become a forest. You have now bypassed the system of industrial farming. You have created a legacy of flavor and health that will last for generations. The lemon tree is a silent teacher. Listen to it, and it will feed you forever.